Hi, homeschooling families. This is Janet here from Cabinet Homeschool Resource Center, and I am with Pat Luna from LGA Microscopes.
Hello.
Hi, thanks for being with us, Pat.
Thanks.
So, Pat services Cabinet's microscopes maybe once a year or once every 2 years or so because we use them a lot. But you are also a homeschool dad.
That's right.
We're so excited. And go ahead.
Oh no, I was just gonna say I have 8 kids,
Oh,
and
that's
we've
exciting.
had the privilege of homeschooling all of them so far, and we still have a few of them to go. So
That is so neat. So it's always really nice to work with a homeschool family because you get us. So you also not only serve microscopes, you also sell them. And a lot of homeschool families are always asking, how do we choose a microscope? Do you have any tips for us?
that's correct. Yeah, that's right. So I brought there's 3 microscopes kind of represented here. This is more of a collegiate level microscope. It's binocular. It has 2 eyepieces on the head. It has the standard 4, 10, and 40x objectives with a mechanical stage down here, electric light source. This is pretty nice, more of on a collegiate level microscope. The next one over here is the National Model 131. This is the one that's actually sold by Apologia for their curriculum.
Oh.
This has the this is pretty much standard as well. This one also has the 4x, the 10x, the 40x objective. It has an electric light source, independent course, and fine focus on it. This one also has what's called a mechanical stage on it, and what it does is that when you have a slide on there, it allows you to move the stage independently on the X and Y directions. Kind of a nice extra benefit. Not necessary if you don't need that. As an alternative, they will also come with standard stage clips like this. And what you do is you can put the slate underneath the stage clips, and that'll hold them in place as well. So. Just a couple different options. These are all a little bit different, design as far as the coarse and fine focus. These are all going to come with a standard 10x eyepiece. That's pretty common. Again, you want to make sure that you stay with an electric light source, and it can be very confusing looking for microscopes. It's like saying I want to buy a car. Well,
yes.
do you want an SUV or
yes.
do you want a compact car? And so it can be very, very confusing. I would encourage anybody to feel free to give me a call if you have questions. If you're looking on eBay, if you're looking on Craigslist, something locally new, please don't hesitate to call me. I love helping homeschool families.
That's wonderful. Where can they call you? What's the number?
My direct cell phone number is area code 602, number 821-7468. And additionally, today I just set up I have a Facebook page called Homeschool, one word Microscope, and then second word is Microscopes. And what I'm going to do is the plan is to have a forum there where some families, when they're finished with their microscope, they want to sell them. And then, of course, there's always families who are searching for microscopes, and they may be looking for something, save money, get something used. So it's a way to connect those families because I get those calls a lot of time, and I don't really sell a whole lot of used microscopes anymore. But if you're looking for something new, I've got some of those as well.
Some nice ones. That's great.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that is actually a great idea, and we're gonna put in the notes the name of the new Facebook group that you have. That's a great way to connect with homeschooling families because we want to pass on what we don't need to the next homeschooling family, bless somebody else.
Sure.
And, it just keeps on going. So thank you for putting that together for us.
Thanks.
Do you have any other tips for homeschooling families?
Be careful using methylene blue.
Oh.
The methylene blue is something that can stain up the objectives, but if you do get the methylene blue on and suddenly it's not functional, please give me a call. There's ways to that I can walk through a parent on how to clean up those objectives. I would encourage you to check out my website. I've got I sell microscopes at www.homeschoolmicroscopes.com. And then I've got another one that's got helpful videos. It's called K12 Microscopes.
We saw that one. It's so good.
Yeah, it's got some videos down there. How to use a microscope, everyday maintenance, and some other things. So
those are great tips.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for being with us. And these are some of the microscopes that our science teacher Karen owns. So you get to have a collegiate level if you ever come to some of her classes. And again, they're really well services. They all work really well because Mr. Pat Luna here fixes them with us with lots of love and lots of knowledge. Anyway, thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.